Hare Krishna. I'll be reading a story, Who is the Best, which shows us the quality of helping others. Ramu and Shamu were servants working for a rich landlord, Thakur Prasad. They constantly argued as to who is better than the other. One day, the argument became so heated that they decided to approach the Thakur himself. Thakur looked at them grimly and said, "Please describe all that you do for me so that I can decide." Ramu proudly replied, "Sir, I work all day in your fields and grow the best quality wheat, which fetches us a good price when sold in the market. I stay awake all night and see that no theft takes place in your house or in the granary. Hence, I work for you night and day." Shamu thought that he was much better than Ramu, so he responded immediately, "Sir, Ramu does physical labor, whereas I do intellectual work. I teach your children all subjects so that they can do well in the exams. Besides that, I look after the accounts in your office." The Thakur nodded in agreement to both of them. Then he looked at Raghu standing behind him and asked him, "Hey Raghu, you tell me, what do you do for me?" Raghu was a little taken aback, since he was not a part of their discussion. Not wishing to waste Thakur's time further, he replied, "Sir, I love you a lot because you are very kind and wise. My only wish is to do whatever would make you happy." Now it was the Thakur's turn to announce the best servant. "Raghu is the greatest of my servants." "What?" both Ramu and Shamu said in amazement. Shamu said, "This is not right, sir. Ramu works a lot in the field, and I work in your house. Raghu just waits all the time behind you to take any order from you. We do much more work than he does." The Thakur replied, "Yes, you both definitely do all the things you said, but this man only wants to serve and please me. His faithfulness to me has never failed, and because of this quality in him, I promote him to be the supervisor of all the servants in the household. So now, both of you will become his assistants." Ramu and Shamu realized that they had been greedy for money, name, and fame, but Raghu was really the best servant because he only wanted to please Thakur. Similarly, the demoniac people envy God and compete with their fellow living beings to usurp others, property, and to spread their own name, fame, and glory. The pious people depend on God for achieving their material aspirations or to become free from sufferings. They only make temporary connections with God and forget Him when life is smoothly going. The spiritual people or devotees of God serve Him with love and devotion. Their only goal is to please Him. They don't expect anything in return. Such devotees are called pure devotees. Prahlad, Hanuman, Jesus are some examples. They are the ones who win the heart of the Supreme Lord, just as Raghu won the heart of Thakur as the best servant. Thank you. Hare Krishna.